Yeah, now go ahead and punch it. YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? We are back with another video. We about to take the car out today again. Damn, it's foggy as shit. Interior is still nice, you. I keep forgetting we gotta jump the car, bro. We gotta jump this shit again, chat. Listen to the birds and shit. You hear them? Imagine if I sold this for 10 bands, Sydney. Would you be mad? I'm trying to start the car right now. This motherfucking trunk won't fucking open, bro. Shout out to that boy Big Body Super, chat. That boy got one of the cleanest 540s I done seen. Let me turn the music off. I don't want to get copyrighted. 540 clean as shit. I don't know if y'all can see it, but big turbo John. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Casually killing Hellcats and shit. That boy shit fast. That shit look like an M5 comp. This dead ass battery keep fucking me up, man. Look. And the car is wet too. Shout out to Sydney brother, man. They're in neutral. So right now we about to take this shit out, chat. Go get some food and shit. Hopefully this shit will charge up a little bit, because I disconnected my ambience. So it should charge up. It should charge up a little bit. Listen to that idle though. I know, that's what I said. That's neutral. That's what you were just in. That's why the car was running. Bomboclat. If I had a V-style on right now, I would not make it down this driveway. Oh my god. Look at that shit, bro. Like, I barely even got any room. Nah, this is side I fixed. This the side that's weird. Still not coming out though. Let's get it, man. Why you put the window up?
Oh, I thought the water was gonna get in here.
You wanna fuck up my POV?
Oh, no.
I'm getting wet for my POV. You can't get wet?
I can get wet.
Oh.
Smells like rain.
Is that bad?
It's kind of gross.
I don't want to hit it too hard. We gonna spin the fuck out. Just to that intake. Crazy, ain't it? I want to fuck this stretch up so bad right now, you don't even know. Already? You said it's hard for the who?
For young people.
And how's that bad to say? The old people do got it easy. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm just saying, like, they already have a lot of living places around here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. How's that bad to say?
Yeah.
That sounds crazy, didn't it? You think people in Maine would do POV with their trucks?
Yeah.
They could.
They could.
And put some little fishing in there and shit. People would watch that shit. Man, look at that fog though.
You can't even see this
I need that cat. Who that? Who in that John? I need that Charger, nigga. Who driving that?
You see they put on the little speed ropes?
Where?
Like, you'll see them going down. They're down there and then up by there.
What you mean?
Like the speed ropes and all the road to stop people from speeding. So you know how Bella starts school next one?
Yeah.
So like they have it's from 7 to 3, I think. Just like a normal school day.
Yeah. 7 to 3?
Or no, 8 to 3. Sorry. But
They gonna have my girl for that long, man.
It's just like a normal school day, like when you would go to
Damn.
school. But I'm saying.
Type shit. I don't mind.
I know you don't.
Be vlogging that shit. What?
I know, I'm just telling you. You gotta take her school shopping.
Boops.
You go and get the food.
You want me to go get it? I wanna watch my car.
I'll be right here.
What you mean?
Like, I got it.
You wanna drive? So you go get it.
Why? If I'm driving.
So when you get back in the car, you could just hop in the driver's seat.
That's not how it works. Don't forget you can go down here.
It doesn't mean I want to. That shit was sketchy last time. I don't got no burbles. Switch that turbo. See that fog down there though? Yo, you see this car? He's on my nuts. I'm coming to a full stop, comma, period. I should have went down there, huh? I want to see that fog. I'm going back down there. Just the buildings and their minds. Can I go down there?
Probably not.
Yeah, let me not. That shit look tight, don't it?
Yeah, that's annoying.
I just made the right up here.
See?
Right here? When I get a battery, you could go. It's not gonna scratch. Shit steep as hell. Damn. I ain't gonna stop? Turbo noise is crazy. That shit is nutsy. So I go in, or you go in. I want to drink. You gonna say what's up to my people?
What's up?
We about to get some food again, and then I'll probably sit in the front and let her drive, bro. I'm tired of shit. Feel what I'm saying? Need an alignment. I need my sparks done, chat. Yo, I think this what be killing my battery right here. I keep leaving this plugged in. Can that kill your battery? I left that shit. I leave this shit plugged in every night. Does that kill your fucking battery? Let me know. Look at her.
She just dropped it.
What you doing? What, you wanna drive?
I was trying to give this to you.
You wanna drive?
I will.
What you feeling like? You wanna sit and cruise? Just sit down.
I mean, kind of.
Just sit your ass down.
We're talking to Sarah.
Just record for me. The church that I usually get clothes and shit from.
Yeah, the thing is that thing right there.
I used to go with Thrifting here every weekend, nigga.
Look, it says it right there.
That shit dried the fuck up.
They're open Wednesdays and Saturdays.
What's today? Tuesday?
Tuesday.
I used to go with Thrifting right out that motherfucker. They have some shit in there now. Don't sleep on them.
Not bad.
What?
It's not bad.
Yo, I see somebody use their POV and they put the camera in their mouth.
What the fuck?
Yo,
What camera did they use?
did that shit just pop? What the fuck? Comfort?
Is that like a malfunction?
Nah.
Oh.
Listen to your ass. You just sound like a hater.
No, I was genuinely that one had me stuck.
That boost kick in, boy. Wanna drive? Like, actually, I'll let you drive on the back.
Yeah.
outside, chat. Pray for me right now. Pray for me right now.
Stop it.
So I mean, you gotta go down the driveway, all that.
Deadass?
Do what you gotta do. Alright now.
This
It's like.
windy.
So slow down. Downshift 1. Alright. Stay in that one. Just hold on to the brake here. Downshift. Let it run. Put your foot on the brake now. One more downshift. Just let it run. Downshift. Yeah. Just let it run. Yo. Downshift. Yeah. There you go.
You know, his
Upshift.
dad,
There you go. Upshift. See how easy that is?
yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Now when you want to burble, all you gotta do is just let go off the gas. Now go ahead and punch it. See? Push your foot on the gas again. Then let go. See? Lift your foot on the gas. Go. See how easy it is? So you don't gotta downshift all the time, bro. You're in control of the burbles because you're on the gas. See?
I see.
So you could literally cruise in that gear if you want to.
Just like until you get to wherever.
No, until you're slowing down. Yeah. One more big one. Yeah. Hold the brake. When it gets to 3, downshift. Yeah. Slow down. I mean, if you're gonna go down this driveway, you need to. You still need to work on your gear shifting. Still need to work on your gear shifting. And you need to work on, you feel me?
Slowing down.
Slowing your ass down. So I just got to the crib, man. We finna. Holy shit. Look at it already. As soon as I turn the car off. I'm not doing this shit. Should I try to start it again?
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
Look at that. See what I'm talking about? It's the same shit I'm talking about. Come pick this shit up, bro. I don't want every time when I'm supposed to leave, I gotta be jumping and shit. It's actually annoying. What's pulling all that power, bro? I mean, fuck it. At least we get to vlog. I just need a new battery, bro. I'm not even gonna stress it. It acted as if the car wasn't just started for however long. And running. I didn't even stop this bitch when we left.